Hi guys, welcome back to Fahmina's Creation. I'm back again and presenting a new stitch to you today, and it's called the butterfly stitch. So as you can see on the screen now, this is what the butterfly stitch looks like, and it's called butterfly stitch for the obvious reason because it looks like butterfly's wings. So let's get started then. For this project I'm just using a crochet hook size 5 and just a DK yarn. So wrap the yarn around your finger, index finger, twice. Pull the back loop to the front, pull the back loop to the front again, and pull the back loop all the way out, and that's it. Your slip knot is ready. Now I'm going to chain, and for this particular stitch you have to chain in multiples of 2 plus 4. I'm just showing you a small sample. So for this sample size I'm going to chain for 16 and plus 4, which would be 20. So let's start. To create your chain, wrap the yarn around your crochet hook like this and pull it through the slip knot. Wrap the yarn around, pull through. Just carry on doing it until you get your desired amount of chains. So I've finished crocheting 20 chains. Now I'm going to start row 1. So I'm going to count from my crochet hook 1, 2, 3, 4, and from the 5th chain I'm going to start doing my butterfly stitch. So to do that, I will wrap the yarn around like we do for double crochet. Go to the 5th chain, put my crochet hook through the 5th chain, wrap the yarn around the crochet hook again and pull through a loop. So I've got 3 loops in my crochet hook at the moment. I wrap the yarn around again and pull it through only 1 loop from the crochet hook. So I've got 2 loops from before, and there's 1 more loop added. Now I'm going to go to the very next chain, which is the 6th chain from the crochet hook. So I'm going to put my crochet hook through that chain, wrap the yarn around again and pull it through. At this point I've got 4 loops in my crochet hook. Now I'm going to wrap the yarn around the crochet hook and pull it through all 3 loops. I've still got 2 loops left in my crochet hook. I'm going to wrap the yarn around my crochet hook again and pull it through the last 2 loops, and that's it. Your butterfly stitch is ready. Once done, just do a chain 1, wrap the yarn around and pull through chain 1 and start doing your next butterfly stitch. So to do that, wrap the yarn around again, put it through the next chain, wrap the yarn around, pull through a loop, 3 loops in your crochet hook, wrap the yarn around, pull through 1, go to the next chain, put your crochet hook through that chain, wrap the yarn around, pull through 4 loops in your crochet hook, wrap the yarn around, pull through first 3 loops. You'll still have 2 loops left in your crochet hook, wrap the yarn around, pull through last 2 loops and chain 1 to finish off the stitch. Now you just have to repeat these steps until you come to the end of row 1. I'm just going to show you a couple more times. Okay, so wrap the yarn around, go to the next chain, pull up a loop, 3 loops in your crochet hook, wrap the yarn around, pull through only 1, 3 loops still available, go to the next chain. Now wrap the yarn around, pull up a loop, 4 loops, wrap the yarn around, pull through 3 loops, still got 2 loops left, wrap the yarn around, pull through 2 loops and chain 1. Just repeat these steps again and again until you reach to the end of this row. Very last stitch of this row. So put in my crochet hook through the next chain, pull up a loop, wrap the yarn around, pull through 1, got 3 loops, go to the next chain, pull up a loop, 4 loops in your crochet hook, wrap the yarn around, pull through 3, wrap the yarn around, pull 3, last 2 and chain, and turn your work around. In row 2 we'll start with 3 chains again to give it a straight shape basically. Okay, so start with 3 chains as if that's a double crochet. Now move to the very first chain. Can you see it looks like the eye of the previous butterfly stitch. So wrap the yarn around your crochet hook and go to that very first eye that is available to you. Put your crochet hook through that eye and pull up a loop. You got 3 loops in your crochet hook, wrap the yarn around, pull through only 1 loop. You have still got 3 loops in your crochet hook. Now move to the chain 1 space from row 1. If you can remember, after every stitch we did a chain 1 and then move to the next stitch. So now we are putting the crochet hook through that chain 1 space and wrap the yarn around, pull up a loop. Got 4 loops in our crochet hook, wrap the yarn around, pull through 3, wrap the yarn around, pull through 2, and then chain 1 again. Wrap the yarn around your crochet hook again, go to the next eye of the butterfly stitch from previous row, put your crochet hook through and pull up a loop. 3 loops in a crochet hook, wrap the yarn around, pull through just only 1 loop. You've still got 3 loops left in your crochet hook. Now move to the chain 1 space from previous row, wrap the yarn around and pull through. You got 4 loops in your crochet hook, wrap the yarn around, pull through first 3 loops. You'll still have 2 loops left in your crochet hook, wrap the yarn around, pull through both loops and then chain 1 to finish off the stitch. So just go ahead and repeat these steps until you come to the end of this row. Once you are at the end of row 2, just chain 1 and turn your work around and start row 3 by repeating all the steps that you have done in row 2. And basically you are going to do the same, repeat the same as row 2 for the rest of your project and for all the rows that you are going to add to your project. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. For more tutorials like that, please stay tuned, and until next time, take care, stay safe, bye.